Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your credit utilization with Experian, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your credit utilization with Experian, begin by understanding what credit utilization is. Credit utilization is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. A lower credit utilization ratio can positively impact your credit score. First, check your current credit utilization rate through your Experian account. Log into your Experian account and navigate to your credit report. Look for the section that outlines your credit cards and their respective balances and limits. Calculate your credit utilization by dividing your total credit card balances by your total credit limits. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% for optimal credit health. If your utilization rate is high, consider paying down your existing balances. Make payments on multiple accounts if possible to lower the individual balances. Another option is to increase your credit limits. Contact your credit card issuers and request an increase in your credit limits. Be mindful that some issuers may perform a hard inquiry on your credit report. Next, avoid closing old or unused credit card accounts. Closing accounts can reduce your overall credit limit, increasing your utilization ratio. If you don't want to use an old account, consider keeping it open with a small balance or making occasional purchases. Additionally, consider spreading out expenses across multiple cards. By charging small amounts to various cards, you can keep individual utilization rates lower. Monitor your spending habits and avoid maxing out any single card. Set up alerts or use budgeting tools to stay informed about your credit utilization. Regularly review your Experian credit report to track your progress. As your utilization decreases, you may notice an improvement in your credit score. Lastly, consistently practice good credit habits to maintain a healthy utilization rate. Avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and always aim to pay your bills on time. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your credit utilization with Experian and boost your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.